All right, here we go. Shootout time. Looking forward to this one. McKinnon's at center ice. He's ready to get this thing underway. Makes a save and look good doing that one.
Yeah, the body language, everything about him is telling you that he's confident and composed right now.
McDavid's at center ice with the mindset, anything you can do, I can do better. Scores! What a